guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another CVS haul. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transactions to share with you guys on how I utilize my CRTs to pay as little out of pocket as possible. So the first freebie I want to mention to you guys is a free 8x10 print. So if you go to cvs.com, to the photo section, you can get a free 8x10. So this is valid through tomorrow. So you just have to enter the code TREAT to checkout, and then you can do an in-store pickup, and then you get an absolutely free 8x10. So I love a good freebie. So the first deal I did is on the Yes2 products. So the Yes2 products are on a spend 10, get $7 back in extra care bucks. So I did this deal 3 different times because I have 3 different CVS cards. Yes, I do. I have my husband, and then I also have my mom's card as well. So the CVS, so the Yes2 Coconut Ultra Hydrating Moisturizing Coconut Oil Stick. This is priced for $10.99. And then I had a 5 off 10 Yes2 product CRT and a 30% off CVS mailer coupon. So I ended up paying $5.90, and then I got a $7 extra care buck that printed. All right, so then my next deal, I did the Revlon deal. So I got that 4 off 1 CRT that printed for Revlon, and then I had those 5 off 1 facial cosmetic coupons that designer Jen sent over to me. So thank you, Jen, so much. So I picked up the Revlon Candid Concealer. So this is the banana color, and I absolutely love this. I love this so much that I actually picked this up for one of you guys. So if you want to be entered to win this Revlon concealer, then just comment Revlon concealer, and then I'll pick a winner by Friday, and then I'll go ahead and send it out to you guys. So this was $9.99. So I had a $5 off 1 coupon and a $4 CRT. So I ended up paying $1.76 after tax, and then I got a $4 extra care buck. So I was so excited about that. All right, so then my next deal, I did the Yes2 deal again, and I was really surprised I triggered the extra care buck because the items I got were on clearance. So I didn't actually hit $10 with the clearance price, but I think that since CVS rang it up as what the original price was, then that's how it triggered the extra care buck. So I got 2 of the Yes2 Coconuts super energizing coffee masks. So these were on clearance at my store for $1.67. The regular price was $3.59. So I picked 2 of those up, and then I got a Yes2 Cucumbers Calming Mask Removing Wipe. So if you do like face masks, then it's a wipe that's supposed to remove the mask or something. So I picked that up. That was on clearance for $1.67 as well. And then I also got the Revlon Insta Blush. So you guys asked me to go ahead and review their stick blushes. So I picked this up. So it was $14.49. So I had a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. I also had a 5 off 1 Revlon, the 4 off 1 CRT. And then I had a 4 off 2 Yes2 product CRT that I used. I had a 20% off CVS mailer coupon, and I had a $4 extra care buck that I rolled from my Physicians Formula purchase from transaction 2. So I ended up paying $9.77, and then I earned $7 for the Yes2, and then I earned $4 for the Revlon, because the Revlon deal is like a limit of 4 or 6, something like that. All right, so then Scarlett, I signed up to take Starburst to her classroom, and I totally forgot about it, and Halloween is coming, so I paid regular price for these. I know, Gina, what were you thinking? But these were $4.39. I had no coupons on me because I don't carry candy coupons on me anymore. So I picked 2 of these up. They were $4.39. So I used the $7 extra care buck that I earned from the Yes2 products. If I was thinking clearly, I would have used my percentage off mailer coupon, but I had Scarlett with me, so I wasn't really thinking clearly, obviously. So that was a good deal, I thought. So it came out to $1.78 after extra care bucks. So I still paid $7. So I want you guys to be really careful with that. So I technically still paid $8.78 because that $7 extra care buck, in my opinion, is still money. So I still paid $7 out of that extra care buck, if that makes sense. So it wasn't technically free. I just didn't pay any more out of pocket than I would have originally, if that makes sense. But it still cost $7 in extra care bucks. Okay, so I did the Yes To deal again because I had my card, my husband's card, and my mom's card because this deal was too good not to do it multiple times. So I got the Yes To Coconut Hydrating and Restored Micellar Water. I love this stuff so much. You guys need to consider picking this up because it's fantastic with taking off your makeup and just, you know, cleansing your skin before you go ahead and cleanse with a cleanser. So it was priced for $10.99, and I used a $10 extra care buck and a $1 extra care buck, so I ended up paying 85 cents, and then I earned a $7 extra care buck, so that was a really, really good deal. So then I did the Revlon deal again. So the Revlon deal, $9.99, I had a $5 insert coupon, I had a $4 CRT, so I paid $1.76, got a $4 extra care buck. All right, so then my last transaction, I went ahead and got some baby wipes. So we needed some baby wipes. They are buy one, get one 50%. So what I did is I bought 2 of the 3-pack value packs. They are $7.49. And then I picked up 1 of the $3.49 ones, but this rang up to like $1.49, something like that. With the buy one, get one 50%. And then I had a 3 of 15 CRT for baby care. And then I used $11 in extra care bucks. So I ended up paying $1.63 for 7 packages of baby wipes. So this is my CVS CRT haul. So I hope you guys found this video helpful in terms of how I broke everything down, transaction by transaction, showing you how I roll my CRTs to pay as little out of pocket as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my CVS in-store couponing video to see all of these deals in store. If you want to see more detail in the store, I'll have that linked. I also did a what not to do at CVS for the Black Friday season if you want to check that video out as well. So I will talk to you guys all later. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.